Hi guys, in this video we're going to go to another round of new prompts that you can use on Bard AI. If you see the previous videos, we cooked, we got the recipes, we went and we use it for investing, we use it for building a resume. In this example over here, we're going to utilize the location service because a lot of people, I believe, are in their cars trying to figure it out. I know some of you are using the Apple location, but let's try to use the AI, right? Might be a little better. So for this example, we're going to go down over here and we're going to enter a scenario. Let's say I am at the Central Park at 59th Street and I want to go to Brooklyn Bridge, okay? Give me the best route with a car. Let's see, are we gonna get the good location suggestions, any tips? We're waiting. Okay, we are launching the Google Maps. You see how amazing it is when the Google Maps is integrated. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Fascinating. Essentially, we just got the map over here and we got exactly where we are, which is over here on top of Central Park, right? And this is the end location, which is the Brooklyn Bridge. Let's read what actually Google Bard gave us as a suggestion. The fastest route to get from Central Park at 59th Street to Brooklyn Bridge by car is via FDR. Okay. The distance is 5.9 miles and it will take about 25 minutes. You can actually see the directions. You can click here and it will give you an actual step by step and it will count the streets for you. Pro tip: allow extra time for traffic, especially during peak hours. Also be aware of any road closures or constructions that may affect the commute. Let's click on, but let's ask for more details. Can you give us a step by step guidance? Let's see, can we go above and beyond on this journey? We're waiting, we are waiting, and nothing happens, is it? Okay, we got it. So first of all, sure, here are the step-by-step driving directions from Central Park. Start at Central Park, 59th Street, New York, head south, Central Park, 59th Street, blah blah blah. Okay, we have turn right, allow us. Okay, let's ask for alternative route. Can you give us an alternative route? Because let's say FDR is it's closed. Let's give a challenge to Bard AI. Let's see what we are going to get over here. Okay, the fastest route to get Central Park 59th Street to Brooklyn Bridge by car that avoids FDR is still via FDR. The distance is 5.8. It will take a 24. I'm sorry, but even though I avoid FDR in the search query, it seems that Google Maps is still recommending the fastest route. That might be because there are currently heavy traffic conditions on other roads, or because there are other factors that may. So guys, as you can see over here, if you're in your car, I just thought about people who are driving Uber, right, or Lyft, or Revo, right? You can just sit on your car. You don't have to do anything. You can just, use your voice assistant and use Google, and the Google Bard will interact with Google Maps and they will give you the best route. I find this fascinating. Another example, obviously, that Bard AI beats ChatGPT. ChatGPT cannot produce any images and cannot link to other apps and cannot interact with other software. So this is fascinating. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.